In the world where the crypto is growing faster than ever, one platform is giving the traders serious advantage. Up to $30,000 in bonus, fast trading, and no complicated start. Today I will show how to use the VIX step by step. Let's be honest. Most people want to start trading crypto, but they get stuck because the platform lock completed. Too many buttons, confuse influence. And this is exactly where VIX standard out. VIX is modern crypto exchange designated for both beginners and experienced traders. In the offer, a clean interface, fast education, high liquidity, and power trading tools. Wherever you are trading spot and futures, everything works smartly. Getting started is simple. You just register and use your email or phone number. But here is something important. If you use the promo code, it's 2BGU. Check the options or follow the link in the description. You can unlock bonuses up to $30,000. So after registration, go to Reward Center. This welcome bonuses. And complete simple tasks like first deposit, first trade, basic actions. And you'll start to unlock bonuses step by step. If you make the volume, you get a lot of money of this. For example, trade, get the bonus. Trade, get a bonus. More volume, more money you get. So let's talk about the trading. For example, the spot trading. Once your account is ready, deposit crypto or buy directly and one in the spot and go into the spot market. Choose your trading pair and set the order. Confirm the trade. And everything be fast, beginner and friendly. So if you want to trade in futures, VIX also offers futures trading. That means you can trade with leverage. This is always you to use the potential profit, but also inside the risk. So always manage your risk and don't overtrade. Right now is one of the best moments to start. Market and activity, opportunity and everywhere, and the platform like VIX, simply everything. Even you just started. So if you want to try it, use the promo or click the link in the distribution and unlock your bonus up to $30,000. If you have any questions, drop down in the comments. Are you ready to trading or just starting? And don't forget subscribe. I show more strategies, more platforms and the real ways to grow in crypto.